Welcome to the Auto Catalyst Market Channel. In this video, we talk about the catalytic converter and its location in the vehicle. The catalytic converter is a part of the exhaust system whose job is to clean and reduce the toxicity of the vehicle's exhaust gases. The first catalytic converters of the 70s and 80s to comply with Euro 2 and its equivalents were placed further away from the engine. In modern vehicles, the catalytic converter can be located as follows. 1. Directly integrated into the exhaust manifold. 2. Directly after the exhaust manifold. 3. And on the exhaust pipe before the silencer. Some vehicles have more than one catalytic converter to improve exhaust gas treatment. For example, modern vehicles have a main catalytic converter on the exhaust manifold and an additional catalytic converter on the tailpipe. Lambda probes are fitted to the catalytic converter for good performance. These special sensors at the inlet and outlet of the catalytic converter measure the quality of the exhaust gases. When is it time to replace the catalytic converter? The catalytic converter can fail for several reasons: age, poor fuel quality, mechanical damage, harsh driving on bad roads, or a faulty engine. As a result, the vehicle loses traction, does not rev up, starts poorly, or stops after starting. A defective catalytic converter can also cause exhaust gases to enter the passenger compartment. We agree that a new catalytic converter is not cheap. However, you cannot drive without a catalytic converter. The exhaust gases are not cleaned, causing damage to the environment and the health of the driver and passengers. We therefore recommend that you always take care of your vehicle's exhaust system. Moreover, after replacing the catalytic converter, the old one can be scrapped for good money. After all, it contains precious metals. The AutoCatalystMarket.com service will help you find a recycling company and an up-to-date price for scrap catalytic converters. Subscribe to the channel to find out more about catalytic converters, and support the video with likes and comments.